If you're taking your first international flight, overwhelming. Check-in, baggage, immigration, security, every step so you know exact to expect before you even leave home. Back to our travel guide series. I'm Nalini, your guide for flying Nomad. Let's explore some clever hacks to make your flight more comfortable and stress-free. Welcome to Chapter 1. Check your passport validity. Use the mobile app to check in. Carry a mix of currents in your cabin bag. Keep documents in one folder. Arriving at the airport, take a moment to relax. At the entrance, security will ask for your documents. You can show your digital boarding pass. Once verified, take a breath. You're inside. Approach the counter with your documents ready. Present your passport clearly to the agent. The agent will then tag your bag. Your baggage is ready to be sent to the aircraft. Before your bag disappears, check the tag. It heads to your destination. Keep the baggage claim tag. It is your proof of ownership. Read your boarding pass carefully. Proceed to immigration. Immigration is the most stressful part. Follow signs. Boarding pass ready. Walk confidently to the counter. Hand over your passport. Stay calm and wait for their prompt. And present your documents. Answer each question truthfully. Place your finger on the scanner. Ensure your face is clearly visible. Congratulations! See you at the gate. Don't be nervous. Trays are used for personal belongings. Place your laptop into separate trays. Remove your belt, watch, and once on the belt, they'll pass through. Always carry power banks in cabin baggage. Walk through the scanner calmly. A professional nod from security means you're cleared. Carefully retrieve your trays. Check screens again. Reliance on updates. Follow the signs. Refill your bottle. Use lounge access. Enjoy the wait. Boarding will begin. Have your pass ready. Walk through the aero bridge. Smile for the crew. Stow your bag. Fasten your seatbelt. Listen to safety demo. If this is your first international trip, I hope this guide has made you feel more prepared and subscribe for more travel knowledge insights. Have a safe journey, and I'll see you in the next lesson.